Hello everyone, welcome to episode 2 of Time and Work. Before watching this video, please watch episode 1 of Time and Work. The question is, Ramesh can complete a wall in 15 days, while Suresh will take 30 days to complete a wall. Now, what are their efficiencies?
If you observe here, there are two people. Their names are Ramesh and Suresh. Both are building a wall. Ramesh is taking 15 days to complete a wall, while Suresh is taking 30 days to complete a wall. Now, their time ratios are 1:2. If you have to find their efficiencies, we have already told you time ratio is inversely proportional to efficiency. Now, what will be your efficiency? Is to 1. That will be your answer.
Now the next question is, Ramesh can complete a wall in 15 days, while Suresh takes 30 days to complete the same wall. If both are working together, how much time they will take to complete a wall? Hope you already know up to efficiency what we have to do, because in the previous question same thing we have repeated. Here if we observe, their efficiencies will be 2:1. Now next thing what we have to do, first we have to find the work. How to find the work? What is the formula for work? Work is nothing but time into efficiency. You can take time of Ramesh or Suresh. You have to multiply it with their efficiencies. For suppose if you take Ramesh time 15 days, what is the efficiency of Ramesh? 2. 15 into 2 is nothing but 30, and that is your work. Now next step what I have to do? I have to combine Ramesh and Suresh. If both are working together, how much time it will take? Now, if I combine Ramesh and Suresh, then I have to combine their efficiencies or not? Yes. What is the efficiency of Ramesh and Suresh? 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3. Now, what I have to find? I have to find time. What is the formula for time? Time is nothing but work by efficiency. Now what is my complete work? My work is 30. What are my efficiencies? My efficiencies is 3. 30 by 3 is nothing but 10. And that is your answer.
Ramesh and Suresh can complete a wall in 15 days, while Suresh can do it in 20 days. Now the question is, how much time will Ramesh take to complete the work alone? As you can see in the question, Ramesh and Suresh can do it in 15 days. Suresh will take 20 days to complete the work.
These two are times. Now, the next step which we have to do is, we have to find the time ratio of both the persons. What is the time ratio of 15 and 20? 3:4. The next step will be, time ratio is inversely proportional to efficiency. Now, the efficiency of Ramesh and Suresh will be 4:3. Now, if you have to find out the work, formula for work is time into efficiency. Take any one of the time. Take 15 into 4. It will lead to 60. Or you can take 20 into 3. You will get 60 as your work. Now, if you have to find out the time taken by Ramesh, you have to know the efficiency of Ramesh. Now, let's find out the efficiency of Ramesh. As we can know that the both of their efficiency is 4, while Suresh efficiency is 3. Now, Ramesh efficiency will be 1. Now, efficiency of Ramesh is 1 and work done will be 60 units. Now, if you have to find out the time formula is work by efficiency. Now, what is the work? 60. What is the efficiency? 1. Now, time taken by Ramesh is 60 by 1, that is 60 days. That will be your answer.
Question number 4 is, Ramesh and Suresh both are working in a chocolate factory. Ramesh can make a bunch of chocolates within 15 minutes, while Suresh takes 45 minutes to make a same bunch of chocolates. If both are working for 5 minutes, what is the fraction of work left? That is your question. Now, if you observe the question, Ramesh will take 15 minutes to make a bunch of chocolates, while Suresh will take 45 minutes to make a bunch of chocolates. Now, what is the question they're asking? If both are working for 5 minutes, what is the fraction of work left? Now, first what we have to take? Ramesh, and how much time he is taking? 15 minutes he is taking. Next, what we have to take? Suresh, and Suresh, how much time he is taking? 45 minutes. Now, in the next step, what we have to find? We have to find the time ratio. What is the time ratio? 1:3. You already know time is inversely proportional to efficiency. Then what will be my efficiency? My efficiency will be 3:1. Next step. In the next step, we have to find work. How to find work? What is the formula for work? Work equal to time into efficiency. I can take Ramesh time or Suresh time. For suppose if I take Ramesh time, 15 into 3 is what? 45. Or if I take Suresh time, 45 into 1 is nothing but 45 only. Then what is my work? 45. That means 45 chocolates I have to make. But how much time they are working? They are working for only 5 minutes. Now if you observe carefully, what I have to do means, what is the efficiency of Ramesh and Suresh? Efficiency of Ramesh and Suresh is 4. Now with 4 efficiency, how many minutes they are working? They are working for 5 minutes. 4 into 5 is nothing but 20. Out of 45 chocolates, I have completed 20 chocolates. What is the remaining chocolates left? 25. 25 out of how many? 45. 25 by 45. 25 by 45 is nothing but what? 5 5s 25 and 5 9s 45. What is the fraction of work left? 5 by 9, and that will be your answer.
I have a challenge for you. Let us see how many of you will answer this question. The question is, there is a monkey which is trying to climb an 80-meter pole. In the first minute, it climbs 5 meters, and in the second minute, it slips 2 meters, and in the third minute, it again climbs 5 meters, and in the fourth minute, it slips 2 meters. If the process continues, how much time will a monkey take to climb the 80-meter pole? Is the question. Let us see how many of you solve the question. Give your answers in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video,
Please
like
share
and subscribe it.